In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Calendly booking. Calendly is a popular scheduling tool that helps you streamline appointment setting and manage your time more effectively, but sometimes plans change, and you might need to cancel a meeting you've already scheduled. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to cancel a Calendly booking quickly and easily, ensuring that both you and the other party stay informed. If you don't yet have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. To begin, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Once it's open, navigate to the Calendly website. You can do this by typing in www.calendly.com directly into the address bar, or you can simply search for Calendly using your favorite search engine. Either way, this will take you to the Calendly homepage. When you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now, you'll need to log into your account. Depending on how your account is set up, you have a couple of options here. You can either enter your email address and password in the provided fields and log in that way, or you can choose to continue with Google. If you opt to continue with Google, you'll need to select the Google account you want to use. Keep in mind, if Calendly asks for permission to sync with your Google Calendar, make sure to confirm this. Step ensures your appointments and schedules are properly linked. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your meetings and events. From here, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the navigation menu. Locate the option labeled Meetings and click on it. This will take you to the Meetings section where you'll find a list of all your scheduled events. Scroll through the list to locate the specific appointment you'd like to cancel. Once you've found it, click on the event to open its details. Now that you've opened the event details, look for the Cancel option. This is typically located within the Event Details window. Click on it, and Calendly will prompt you to confirm your cancellation. At this point, you may be given the option to provide a reason for canceling. While this step is optional, it's often a good idea, especially if the meeting is business-related or professional in nature. A courteous explanation can go a long way in maintaining good relationships. Once you've completed that step, click on the button labeled Yes, Cancel to finalize the process. After doing so, wait for a confirmation message to appear on your screen. This message indicates that the meeting has been successfully canceled. Calendly will automatically send a notification to the other participant, so they'll be informed of the cancellation as well. This ensures there's no confusion or miscommunication. As an optional but highly recommended final step, consider following up with the other party directly. You can send a personal message to explain the cancellation or discuss rescheduling if needed. This extra effort helps maintain professionalism and ensures clear communication. And there you have it. You've just learned how to cancel a booking on Calendly step by step. Taking these actions ensures that your schedule stays updated and your communication remains professional. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.